Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you for your support and all over the world, and I really appreciate your help and support. Today, we just reached 24,000 subscribers, and we just keep doing our best. If I know something, you take it, and if I don't know, I will ask you. Thank you for watching here, and continue our work on the 2014, 15, 16, 17, I believe 14 and up, BMW i8. The problem is that the customer say the car have a flood issue, and the flood was reaching, I'm not sure how far it is, but that body control module there, you see the BDCM, body domain control module, gateway module, FEM module, they all in one. You know, like the new technology, instead of putting relay there, relay here, the car information in this car is inside that box. The old one is here. This is the one from the junkyard. Yes, you can use this one to clone it completely, maybe read the information out of it and write it here, and you use the same key. You have to unlock it. You can use a tool like AutoHex, which is, I have it here, this one, HexaProc or AutoHex, to do the programming. This is the one, I believe, that have water in it. If you notice here in this area, you see like corrosion. You see this corrosion here, and the customer take a decision that this piece here is no good. He bought a used one. We are not okay with the used one, so he get a brand new from the dealer. And the dealer, there are some, maybe you have to read the FA. FA means thank you for Mr. The FA. Which I'm trying to say thank you for Mr. Issam from Egypt, an engineer, and he's very good on Mercedes-Benz and BMW. If you have a brand new FEM module like this, most of the time it's coming coded in the United States of America. It's coming coded for the car. They give you with the information. So when I put, if you notice the Ferris video, when I put the computer inside and I diagnose it, when I use the dealer tools, which is the ICOM, that one, I was able to read the information of the car based on, because they already coded. And in the box, they say that this module is already coded. So what I need to do is only code it. That means they put the information of the car inside. They call it FA. FA is stand for the car information. In other cars, which is they have CAS module, it is embedded inside the CAS module. Because the computer, as soon as you plug the OBD2, it will look for that information of the car, and it will go and collect you the data, the programming, the coding, the information to upgrade the car, to diagnose the car based on the FA information. So that car, that module there, it is 3 module almost: domain body control module, gateway module, FE module. The key also is there. So after you have, if the dealer code it, the next step is you have to program the gateway module, the body domain control module. You have to program them. After you program those two, then you have to do X-ray activation, something like X-ray line or something. You have to activate that one, and also you have to activate the key. And supposed to be everything is okay. And also the gateway module there, I saw that there is no communication with other. Everything is red. If you remember, I was only able to communicate with this. I don't know, is that due to water damage or due to communication line is not wake up yet. So please stay with us. This is the third video. The first video, the car doesn't go to neutral. We are not able to do anything. We bring it with the tow truck and we move the car up the tow truck after we put it on the lift, and the tow truck left. The second, we did a diagnosis after we put that machine, and we found that there is no communication with all modules except that piece. Also this piece here, if you notice the first video or the second video, I am not able to put it in. They put tape on it. So I have only the signal. I don't have proximity now because no battery, but I am putting this one in this area here to turn the ignition on. After that, if everything is okay, then maybe I have to do other stuff with it. But right now, if you don't put it near the antenna, and this is good for any job, that if the battery is dead or weak or you want to program it, you need to see the key around that area. So I'm gonna put this one here. I turn my ignition on. You see everything is good. And I am going to go into auto hex. This one, be sure you have internet. Hopefully I will be able to read the information of the car. Kuze Kumayala Ampil Nula. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get into the car. Yeah, this is Hexaproc. Okay, if you have a socket 10, tied me the battery terminal, please. The battery terminal is kind of okay. Here, I am trying to communicate with the car. If I connect it here, you see the voltage is 13.7, which is good. I will go to coding and programming. Hopefully, I will be able to communicate with the car. If I'm not able to communicate with anything, at least let me communicate with the domain, body domain. I am sure I communicate with it with the original computer. Hopefully, I will calculate. And that's what they say, the calculating vehicle order. Just tight it, yeah. Thank you. Now put the charger. He was tightening the battery. As soon as he put the charger will go up to 13 point something. And here we are reading the vehicle order. If you see coding no available vehicle order among modules. Okay. Still I will try. That's crazy. It shouldn't turn off. I have a problem here. The system shut down by itself. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try to get other machine if that's the case. Let me turn it off and come back. Okay, till now I am getting problem here. I am not able to communicate with the tools to do at least the coding. I gotta give me a message as you saw. So maybe we have to have another opinion. We're gonna go and look for it. Maybe I have to read the old one and write it back with auto hex, and then we come back and see if we'll be able to communicate with. But before that, I'm gonna put the original tools and see if really that piece here already have information on it. Stay with us. Okay, I don't know about this car, but I know that there is no communication with a lot of modules. Also, I was able to read the information of this car when I was using this tool. I was able to read it. And reading the information, because we have only one module communicating, that means good, we are reading it from there. So at least this one's supposed to communicate with that module and give us a programming if you need to program and coding it. I will try one more. If it doesn't work, then we take it from there. But I am positively sure that because we don't have no communication with any other module, for sure that module, the FA, is already written there. It doesn't want to let me program the FA or code it. That's another issue. Maybe I will clone everything from here and write it back there. Clone everything if it's clonable. And write it there and it will be good to go. That's another option. And then we go through the next step to look for the communication line, why it doesn't work, and what is the possibility. That's my suggestion. Let us know what suggestion you have and what we're supposed to do in the other step. And also I would like to say thank you for your support and for supporting the channel. And please give us any comment or any suggestion down there to help us eliminate this problem and why we are not able to communicate with the others, which is we have to activate some module there. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. See you on another video.